Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will tell you and show you how you can buy, download and install a song from iTunes Store as a ringtone on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching this video and also be sure to put your likes. So friends, let us get started with you. First of all, open your phone settings. Next you will need to click on Sounds Tactile Sensation. Then Ringtone. And up here at the top you'll find the Tone Store. Click on it so you go to iTunes and then you just need to choose a song either from music or from tones. And then you can just listen to that song to see if it's the right song for you if you click on the title of the song. And now, if you have found the song that you would like to set as a ringtone on your phone, then you'll need to purchase that song. And for that, you will need to click here where the price of the song is written. Next, set it as a ringtone. After which you will need to confirm your purchase of that song. For that, you'll need to keep your password in your Apple ID or just in your Face ID. You confirm your identity, and then the song will be immediately downloaded to your phone and instantly set as a ringtone on your phone. Friends, this is the simple way you can buy, download, and install songs from iTunes Store as a ringtone on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.